never save me.
What is up, y'all? What is going on? Today is a very special day. I know I always started off like, yo, today, but today is a very special day. It's actually a day of relief. I haven't posted in 2 weeks because I've been upset, y'all, like, for real. Like, the CR85, as y'all know, it blew up. Like, y'all know that from the last video because y'all watched the last video. Matter of fact, time out. Before we do anything, smash that like button, please. Smash that like button, smash the like button, smash the like button. If you fuck with your boy and you loving these videos, smash that like button so I can get up there in the algorithm so your boy can be up there, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to be next to the great because I am great myself, but smash that like button, leave a comment down below, hit that notification bell like right now so you know when your boy dropping some fire, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, we're gonna get right back to the story, which is I destroyed my crankshaft, the new one I bought, and I destroyed the left side crankcase. I've never done this before, so you know what I mean? And it was crazy to me is the Banshee was so easy. The Banshee was so easy, y'all. The Banshee was so easy to actually split apart, rebuild, put back together. But for some reason, you know, splitting cases on dirt bikes opposed to four-wheelers is a lot more difficult than I expected. You need the right tools, which I have the right tools. That's not why I destroyed it. I destroyed it because I followed some wrong information and yeah, long story short, cracked the case, but I was able to find a new case, which was almost impossible. Able to find a new case on eBay, got it sent to me, so it's coming today, and my crankshaft is out for delivery today too. So, you know what I'm saying? We lit, we about to be back in the streets this weekend, y'all, you know what I'm saying? My boy Jit Stunt's birthday is next weekend, so I wanna make sure I have the Banshee and the bike ready to go so we can get out here and fuck some shit up. We gonna hawk out, look, huh? We gonna sit right here. Gonna sit right here. And we gonna wait for the mailman. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what he coming that way, what he coming that way. Whichever way he coming, we sitting right here and we ain't moving till we get our stuff, man. Cause we ready to ride, bro. For real. We ready to ride. Now we about to go pick up TJ and take this little quick Facebook Marketplace trip to go get his what do you want, a Nintendo Switch. So I found a great deal on Facebook Marketplace. You can find some, and it's brand new in the box, so, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I'm not paying for what I'm paying in the store, so it is what it is, but yeah, let's get it going. Once I put this bike together, it's basically gonna be brand new, you know what I'm saying? I got new cranks, I got new bolts, I got new bearings, new seals, new top end, like top end was taken to the machinist. So it's gonna be brand new bike. It's gonna hit, like, it's gonna hit, bro. Where is this nigga, bro? God damn. Let's go pick up TJ, bro. Guys, we officially just picked up the Switch. Hold on, let me see. Look, check this out though. Brand spanking new, guys. Like, so I thought it was gonna be new, but he used it just a little bit. It said it was like new, but this isn't a plastic. Like, what do you think?
I like it.
Did you think you was gonna get it in the plastic?
No.
So I didn't think we was gonna get it in the plastic, bro. Like, we got everything in here. We lit. We litty. And my crankcase is at the house. It just got delivered. Look, boom, hold on. Show y'all real quick so y'all know I'm not capping. That says delivered. That says delivered. We lit. Now we're gonna go home. By the time I get to the house, I'm hoping we don't got to beat the UPS man ass, cause that crankshaft should be there. So, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get in the car. Look at him. He loving it right now. Let's get to the house so we can go work on this crankcase, get these bearings in, get the old bearings out, and do all that stuff. I'm gonna show y'all how we do that. I told y'all, I had to learn this shit. The shit costs a lot. You already know what it is. See y'all there in a minute. Swipe. Hey, I'm back like I never left. Back like I never left. Look what we got right here, y'all. Woo. Ghetto style and use this. This is hard to do. Packaging killing me. Hopefully it ain't all rusty. There it is. that. Your boy about to be out here in these streets. That band's good. That band's good. I probably just gotta put that one in. But I don't even know if this is factory though. Should I worry about putting the bearing in or just leave this in? This seemed pretty good. Seal good too, but I got a new seal. But we about to go clean this boy up. That's what we about to do.
1 hour later.
Yo, fam, I think it's here. Chill out. Get that out of here. Round 2. I promise you, I'm gonna take care of this one.
1 week later.
Alright y'all, listen, I'm gonna stop the video right here and explain some things to y'all as to why I'm sitting here with a finished bike right now. So when I was putting this bike together, I was supposed to record all of this for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I was supposed to record me actually building the engine and, you know, putting the bike back together and so forth. And that's my fault because I didn't really want to, you know, record. I didn't want to do anything. But that wasn't fair because y'all deserve that, you know what I mean? I started this channel and it's about the ups and downs. It's not just about the ups, you know what I'm saying? So in that process, you know, I realized, man, I should have recorded the actual process of me putting the bike back together because y'all needed to see that. Y'all should be able to see that. The bike didn't get back together literally until, like, you know, 2 weeks later. It's been 2 weeks since the bike actually blew up and I actually attempted to put it back together. So with that being said, you know, I apologize to y'all. Anything that goes on, you know, y'all deserve that. I'm gonna give y'all that. You know what I mean? Anything that happens, y'all deserve to be able to be a part of it, whether it's good, whether it's bad, whether, you know what I mean, she blows up. I need to bring y'all that content regardless. So, you know what I mean, from here on out, I'm making you guys a promise that I'm gonna put my frustrations aside and I will record even when, you know, I don't feel like picking up this camera because I'm just in that much of a mood. Like, not being able to drive your bike puts you down, but full rebuild on deck. Told y'all, sound told y'all, you know what I'm saying? Never done this before, ever, you know what I'm saying? I am the man. After, like I told y'all, I messed up some shit, you know what I mean? I learned a lot from this build though, so I'll be able to rebuild these, split my cases open, do what I need to do on my bikes. Any bike I get, full rebuild, you know what I'm saying? After this shit right here, cause this was crazy. Like, I promise y'all, this was crazy, so. It's not even that hard. It wasn't even the fact that it's hard. It was just the fact that I did it for the first time and I watched a bogus YouTube video, you know what I'm saying? So, like, make sure, like, read the comments, you know what I'm saying? Go check out when you check out these videos, read the comments because, you know what I'm saying, they might save you some money sometime. Like, you know what I mean? This shit was horrible. Like, the way that he showed me how to do this shit was not adequate at all. And, you know what I'm saying? I probably would never, I would not subscribe to this dude. Like, I would never subscribe to this dude. Like why people subscribe to this dude? I have no idea. So make sure you guys know who you watching. Make sure they know what they're talking about. You know what I'm saying? And then always have a manual to go along with the person that you're watching the video with. Always have a manual to go along with it. That way, if he tweaks some stuff, you'll know about it and you'll know exactly what's going on. So yeah, man, I mean, I don't need no help no more. Like, she's good to go. Like, I promise you, she's good to go. Like, she's good to go. So since you guys have been away, since I've been away, I learned how to wheelie, y'all, like officially. So I'm gonna post this video right here so y'all think I ain't capping. Check it out right now. told you guys I was gonna do it. I didn't think I was gonna accomplish what I've accomplished so fast, you know what I mean? Because there's a lot of fears to get over. There's a lot of stuff you gotta do repetitively so that it becomes second nature, you know what I mean? We're at that point right now where I'm getting it up to coasting point, you know what I mean? I'm dropping back a lot further. I can smoothly take it down the block, and I've been maneuvering a little bit, so you know what I mean? Two-Stroke Jay said it best. You don't feel like you're progressing, and then one day you just kind of like know what's going on and you understand it. So, you know what I mean? I kind of think that's what happened. So, you know what I'm saying? We just gonna see where it go from here. I know some loops are gonna come. I don't want to get too, my boy said don't get too crazy, but some looping's gonna come soon, you know what I mean? Because I'm getting a little bit too confident, but you know, we just gonna continue to push on, you know what I'm saying? Yo, the channel's gonna be so crazy. By the summertime, I promise you, by the summertime, there is gonna be so much content. Just me being comfortable, me being able to wheelie, me teaching a couple of other little worms how to wheelie, me teaching my wife how to wheelie. It's gonna be crazy. So we're gonna hit the lot soon too. I didn't even record the last time we hit the lot, so, and that was major. There was a lot of freaking people there. It was major. God, I should have recorded, man. It was 63 degrees the other day, and I skipped out on it. Also, check this shit out. I am finishing up the Banshee, which is another project I didn't show you guys, but I got the engine back inside. I rebuilt that engine from the bottom to the top. Got everything in there. The only thing we are missing is the idle screw. I only have one idle screw. I don't know where the other idle screw went. But we gonna learn how to wheelie this shit too. That's why I said I'm gonna have a lot of content for y'all, cause y'all don't even understand how she sounds, like super crazy. So once I get everything put back together, matter of fact, oh, so look, I had a problem where I put in the gasket and the gasket fell out, and it ended up dripping water or dripping coolant everywhere. So what I did was I was gonna have to take the whole cylinder apart, which I didn't want to do. And I ended up finding out that it was under here and it was a gasket that was in between everything. So what I did was I ended up taking the gasket off, putting the gasket back on, even though I had an extra gasket, put water back in that thing just to fill it up, just to see, and shit, we was lit. So that thing will be running probably tomorrow. Tomorrow I got the idle screw coming, and y'all gonna get to see that. I'm gonna post that content up when we start the Banshee, you know what I'm saying? For the first time in 4 months. First time in 4 months on my mama. This joint gonna start, it's gonna be so live. The shit sounds like a fucking screaming racehorse. I promise y'all, that's gonna be crazy, you know what I'm saying? But don't make me show up at y'all doorstep like, fam, you ain't gonna like, you ain't gonna comment, you ain't subscribe? For real? For real? You just came and watched the video and you bounced? That's what we doing now? For real? That's just, nah, but you know what it is, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Holla at your boy. We back in this thing, no, we ready to go. We ready to bring y'all some content. Let's go.
I fell in love with the money. I fell in love with the game. I fell in love with the hustling. She fell in love with the